Oh, la mole. Making the council. Gotcha. That's very serious enough. Ooh. Okay. That's what's up, I guess. Alright, bro. Alright, I see how it is, bro. Bro, I was literally clipping that kid, bro. Oh my god. Genuinely cooking him. Oh my god. Okay, that edits. Okay. Alright. Holy Mossad agent. Alright, this guy's actually good. Dash. Okay, I fell, of course. Bro, I fall way too much. Kill him! Okay, bro. What? Oh my god. These has a nice cream cone. No, I missed. Ah. Let's go, bro. Jeez. Okay, okay, jeez. Hop off. Oh my god. I'm just on my wall. I'm on my wall. Why did it just not place? Like, even after he went through. Okay, so this is speed up. Alright, bro. Why are we coming from behind? Awesome. Awesome. Dog! Okay. Please stop. Get up my air, bro. Ouch, I feel bad. No! Genuinely what, bro? I needed that refresh. I just made a bad edit. Alright, bro. You can do this auto. Okay, but I like genuinely have the worst thing ever. Alright. Yeah, you're dead. Gosh, if I could hit a shot. Okay, so now alright, now the whole lobby's on me. Now the whole lobby's on me. Like, what do I even do? Bro, I gotta hit first before I leave. Can't let anyone be better. Not metal wallet. Not mine, I'm out. I'll be back. Can't hit a shot apparently. Jesus. Can I pull out the hunting rifle? I'm gonna pull out the hunting rifle. Where's it at? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Best editor out here. Okay. I think falling, whenever I play Fortnite, falling is just more of a threat than actual players most of the time. God, I'm so bad! This is annoying. Dang, good aim! Right. Dang, okay, that's what happens. Okay, okay, what is this gun? What is that gun, bro? That was kind of annoying. And then I got my head stuck, bro. This gotta be rage bait, bro. Benjamin Netanyahu put that rage bait. Bro! Dang! Just rough. Alright, bro. Bro, these Mossad agents are ganging up on me. Oh, aimbot. Ouch. Okay, yeah, that is not aimbot. I was grenade that again. Dang, mine is wrong weapon. Wrong weapon. This is genuinely sad. Oh my god, that's funny. Oh, it's genuinely good. Are they They hired some sweat as a Mossad agent out here. Okay, so he's using an ice cream cone, of course, because he's a Mossad agent. Oh. And that one. Okay. Give me Central Ohio now. Yeah, you ain't giving me that refresh, that's my refresh, not only. Okay, this is nice. Bro, doesn't even need to refresh, clearly. Alright, bro. Alright. Shock waving right up is never the right play. I don't know why I did that. It's genuinely so easy to shoot people in this shock right now. Except like in this situation. This is a good situation. Okay, let's see. He literally has a what? Okay. Kidding me? Who is this narrow wind guy, bro? He's genuinely taking on the cause. He's genuinely giving me enough time. Oh, yeah, I'm really good with the sniper. Jesus. Oh my god. What a play. Ouch. He's salty after that one. I would be too. Can't blame him. What do you mean by kick the soccer ball? I ain't kicking nothing, bro. Ouch. I tried to flip my camera. Why does it keep doing that, bro? Ouch. I need to fix mine since I'm gonna get. Please work. Ouch. Okay. Oh my god. Literally gave him a haircut, 1. 2, he just absolutely beamed the crap out of him. Okay, no. Greg, we did it. Okay, so we just fucking go hard. Okay. I see others. And I'm out. Genuinely so difficult. Ouch, this is a rough spot on him. Let me build. Oh my god. I'm off the game right now. Crash. Please say they crash. I beg for mercy. Please. Let me blow. Why don't you let me blow strip? This game sucks. My building privileges. Cause I okay. That dude was genuinely spamming with the base blast or whatever, dude. That was impossible. Okay. Who is spamming me? Oh! Okay. Oh! Leave me alone, bro. Like, why are y'all being so annoying? Why won't that soccer ball thing go away? Please leave the game. my god, my aim is nice. I got good aim. Give me your refresh. What? Nah. I gotta look at that replay. Oh my gosh. Let me kill like one more kid there. I'm tired. What time is it? There, I think I finished. Okay. Bye. See ya.